Hello everyone, welcome to the biology tutorial. In the previous video we discussed about the pathogenesis of the Rickettsia, and in this video we are going to talk about the typhus fever group. Okay, there are different species of the Rickettsia. These different species will cause the different types of the infections, and this typhus is one of this group of infection. It causes the three types of disease. First one is epidemic or lousebornetyphus. Second one is relapsing lousebornetyphus, or which is also called as the brillzinserdisease. Third one is endemic or fleaborne typhus. These two, epidemic and relapsing, it is caused by the rickettsiaprowazekii, and this third one, endemic, it is caused by the rickettsiatyphi. Now first, let's discuss about the epidemic or lousebornetyphus. As the name suggests, louseborne means it will be transmitted, it will be caused by the human louse. There are different types of louse. Some will affect on the head, on the hair, some on the human body, some on the pubic areas. And here it is caused by the human body louse. Human body louse is Pediculus humanus corporis. It is transmitted by the Rickettsia Rickettsia is an invasive bacterium. Invasive bacterium means it will invade inside, and it will multiply in the endothelial cell of the blood vessels. And finally, it will lead to the vasculitis, itis. Itis means it causes the inflammation of blood vessel. The average incubation period is 8 days, but it can be as low as 2 to 3 days. What are the symptoms of the epidemic typhus? The symptoms are high fever, severe headache, chills, the petechial or macular rash on the 4th or 5th day. And this one is very important point. The appearance of the rash, in which area the rash will appear. The rash will appear first on the trunk, then it will spread to the extremities, but without affecting the face, palm and sole. I would like to repeat it again. It doesn't cause in the face, palm and sole. This is one of the most important point. Okay, it also causes the cloudy state of consciousness. That's from where the name is derived. Typhus means it is a state of cloud or smoke. Okay, typhus means cloud or smoke. The person may feel cloudy or dizziness type. Complications, it may cause the myocarditis and the central nervous system disinfection. Second one is relapsing lousebornetyphus. It is also called as the brillzinserdisease, or it is also called as the credescent typhus. Okay, first of all, one person is infected with this epidemic typhus. Then after some years, this disease may re-emerge. It can occur again and again. That is, recurrent infection of typhus fever may occur, which we call it as the relapsing lousebornetyphus. It is caused by the Rickettsia prowazekii. In such patient, it may persist in their body tissue. Okay, the bacteria may be living in different body tissue, and which may re-emerge after the many years. It may cause the recurrence of typhus fever. The fever may occur after some months, it may occur after some years, or sometimes it may take so long time, like the decades after also. Person was initially treated with the antibiotic treatment, but also infections may occur. The primary reservoir of the epidemic typhus is human. Mode of transmission. This is a picture of man. This man is suffering from the typhus fever, or this person may have caused the brillzinserdisease too. This green color, I want to show that Rickettsia is already present in this man. Okay, this green color is just to make you understand. And when this person get the louse, when the human louse bite this person, it will feed on it. Okay, this louse are saying yummy, tasty, they are enjoying their blood milk. But what will happen? this Rickettsia will enter into this human body louse. Okay, they will be present in the intestinal tract of this louse. The human body louse, we call it the pediculus humanus corporis. Occasionally hair louse may also occur, but the transmission doesn't occur by the pubic louse. Rickettsiaprowazekii lives and multiply in the alimentary tract of the louse. Okay, it will live here, it will multiply here. Now this louse will infect, it will bite the healthy human. When it bites the healthy human, it will take the blood meal, then it will transfer this Rickettsia bacteria into this person also. The lice defecates while feeding. When it is taking that blood meal, it defecates this bacteria, so that this bacteria is now exposed to this person. This bacteria is present on the surface of this person, and that will enter into this healthy host. The bacteria is created in the feces within the 3 to 5 days of the infection. When that person it scratches the bite, then the louse is crossed, and the contaminated louse feces are inoculated into the minute lesions of the bite wound. Okay, so there is one louse. This louse came and it bite here. The person will scratch it. They will feel itchy type. Okay, then what will happen? There will be the presence of the minute lesions will be there, though we cannot see it as a major one. Small lesions will be present there, and their louse has already defecated the Rickettsia bacteria. Now this bacteria will enter through these small lesions. They will go inside of the body. This green one are the bacteria. Now this bacteria will go inside, they will grow in the blood circulation, and finally when this bacteria go in the blood circulation, it causes the rickettsiemia. Rarely infection may be transmitted through the conjunctiva or through the inhalation of the aerosol of dry louse feces. Now our third one is endemic or flea-borne murine typhus. As the name suggests, flea-borne means it will be transmitted by the flea. It is caused by rickettsiatyphi. Just compared with the previous one, it was caused by the rickettsiaprowazekii, but it is transmitted by the rickettsiatyphi. It is milder than epidemictyphus and it has got a short duration. And incubation period is, in the previous one it was 8 days, average 8 days, but in this case it is 7 to 14 days, remember here. And symptoms are fever, headache, malaise, myalgia. Myalgia means pain in muscle. Malaise means the person will feel weak, they will feel discomfort. And the important point is on the rash. The rash develops on 3rd to 5th day of the infection. And this last one is very important. Rash will appear on the chest and abdomen, but may spread to the palm and sole. Okay, I like to repeat it. They will spread to the palms and sole, but in the previous one our palms and soles are not affected, but in this case palms and soles are affected. In the untreated case, it may last up to the 3 weeks. This is the sporadic form of disease. Sporadic means it will occur only occasionally. It will not occur regularly. The natural reservoirs are rats, mice, and cats. Humans are the accidental host. In the previous one, humans were the primary reservoir, but in this case, they are only the accidental host. Vector for transmissions are rat flea and the cat flea. Okay, how they will be transmitted from one rat to another rat, or how they can be transmitted to the humans. Let's see here. With the help of the rat flea, they will be transmitted from one rat to another rat, but accidentally it may transmit to the humans by the feces of the infected fleas. Okay, this is the picture of the natural host. It can be cat or it can be mice. This black color I'm trying to show the flea. The flea is feeding on this cat. When the flea is feeding on this cat, now this flea will contain the Rickettsia bacteria. This bacteria containing flea will again bite to the human, and this flea will transmit that Rickettsia bacteria into this person who was previously healthy. Now what will happen? The Rickettsia is present on the surface on the body of this person. Now the disease transmission occur by the direct inoculation or indirect inoculation of the infected feces into the site of the bite. By these two ways, the Rickettsia may be transferred to the human. Rat flea may also transmit the disease. Infection can also be transmitted by these two methods. That one is by the inoculation or inhalation of the aerosolized infection specimen, or it can be transmitted by the ingestion and the food contaminated with the infected rat urine or the flea feces. This is all about the typhus fever group. In the next video, we will discuss about the spotted fever group. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.